So one last piece to go in this particular section, and that's just to add a bit of content and some styling to our homepage. So let's open up our homepage. And once again, because this is just JSX and we're not doing anything really in regards to functionality, I just have a snippet that we can also use for our homepage, and this is 9.12.1. So let's bring in this particular snippet. And once again, we'll just import all missing imports. And we'll just add the image manually because it didn't manage to do that. And we'll just reformat the page. And if we take a look at this, it's going to be pretty awful. So we just need to add a bit of styling to this to make it look a bit better. And what we'll do in this particular case is we'll go to our global style sheet, our styles.css. And once again, because this course is not focused on CSS, I've got a snippet that we can use for this. And it's S9.12.2. And this is just going to give us some homepage styles. And all we're doing in here is, in the masthead, the big black blob that it was, is we're giving this a background image, which is the gradient that we're using for our navbar. And we're also aligning the items to the center, and we can use that because we're using display flex. And we're giving it a height of 100 vertical height so that it takes up the full height of the container. We've also just got a few bits of formatting for the button and the header text and the H2 tag inside the masthead as well. And if we take a look at our browser now, we can see that we've now got something that at least resembles a home page. And we should be able to click on this button and take us to the activities and go back again as well. So there's a bit of flickering that you will have seen there, but we'll deal with that kind of thing later on. But for now, we'll consider this job done in terms of restyling our application as it stands at the moment. And what we're going to do is save our changes into source control. So let's go back and take a look at our source control tab. And I've got 11 changes in my case. So I'm just going to stage these changes and then say end of section 9, Control Enter, and then push these changes up to GitHub. And what we'll take a look at next is just a very short summary of what we've done here.